How are you? How's it going? What's going on? What's up, you guys? So actually there's a hurricane coming, so we're off school, and today is, what's today? Tuesday, October 9th. And as you can see, we have so many people at my house because they're evacuating, and my car is literally in the grass. But yeah, anyways, we're going to the movies. We're gonna go see A Star Is Born, and it's my friend's birthday and she wants to be in my vlog, so we're gonna take her along for the ride. And I missed my turn. I'm so sorry, Emily. Like, I'm so sorry. And I'm so sorry to your neighbors as well.
Oh. What's up?
Look at all the freaking makeup on my face.
I had to go put my key back in my house, so
Happy birthday.
I'll be back.
Wait, Emily, you're literally on the freaking vlog.
Oh my gosh, no way. What's up, guys? That's all I have.
Killed it.
Yeah. Really living up to the expectation?
Yeah. Okay, so like, interesting fact. The last time I was at Emily's house, it was my birthday. And now I'm at Emily's house and it's her birthday. So like, it's crazy how life is. Okay, so
Look
like,
at my pants. Sorry, like, fun fact. They won't stay zipped.
okay, I actually, what was that?
The squirrels at my house will throw acorns at you. Like, I'm not joking either.
Okay, so like, you're freaking 17.
I know.
How does it freaking feel?
Weird. Oh, wait, crap. I lost my license. I'll be back.
Okay, all right. Well,
I'm
okay.
just falling apart. I'll be sure. Sorry. I feel like I need that. You know what I mean?
No, yeah, you definitely do.
Okay.
All right, bye.
This was fun. See you guys next week sometime.
Okay, yeah, cool.
Bye.
Let's pick my nose.
Do I look
So this is
ugly?
my really good friend Emily Key, and she like is 17 now, so yeah. For all of you 16-year-old hoes. Yeah, there's really nothing to
There's
say.
nothing else.
But yeah, she's 17 now, so yeah.
At 1:30 p.m.
Oh, so not even yet?
Well, like almost.
No,
Like,
not even yet.
Like
It's,
basically.
no, if you're not even born yet, then you're not 17.
Although my mom doesn't really remember.
Dude,
She like said it was around 1:30, but I think that she's lying, and it was really around like noon. You know what
dude,
I
mine
mean?
was about like 2 p.m. and I celebrate my whole entire birthday month, so time doesn't really matter for me. Like, I'm already 19, basically.
Oh my gosh, wait.
Hey guys, I'm the vloglatographer to today.
So as you can see, there's an
my God.
awful storm right now. We are going through
we're
a
going through it
freaking
here.
Category 5 hurricane named
Hold on, I'm
Michael.
stuck in my seat. I can't.
Anyways,
Hey, what's up guys?
so this is my friend Olivia. It's not her birthday, so she's not special.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. She totally forgot it was your birthday.
No, I didn't.
I'm kidding.
I'm having an issue with all the children in Caitlin's
Look at the
neighborhood.
kids playing in the hurricane.
Why?
They're about to
They're
get
gonna
struck
sucked
by
a
lightning.
tornado.
And there's Caitlin. Caitlin! Hello!
Oh my gosh. Shut up.
You're in the freaking vlog. How do you feel?
Oh, kind of scared. I look pretty bad.
No, you
Jessica, that's your
don't.
thumbnail. Waving you on,
Literally
Jessica. That girl's literally telling you to hurry up so that she can play.
elementary school playground right here. I don't even
Oh,
know
look at
these
them. They're
kids.
dancing for my birthday. Thank
They're
you.
waving.
So much.
Wait,
vlog.
Your vlog.
My vlog.
What do you get?
My vlog. I'm gonna get a cheese quesadilla with.
So mean. I literally You're with me.
No, I'm not. Jessica wants to buy my lunch, but also, what if I just vlog this whole time? Like, you like how I put on the safety harness?
Safety harness.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a burrito.
The home wrecker.
All right, so I got a chicken burrito, and the sides are so small, queso and guac. Like, hello. And then, what'd you get?
I got a cheese and steak quesadilla.
I got a cheese quesadilla with black olives.
Chicken burrito. Some fiery jalapenos.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. She got a chicken bowl.
Dude, these are spicy.
And yeah, we're just gonna enjoy our meal and catch up with you guys after.
So we just finished our lunch at Moe's, and now we're going to the movies that's right across the street. And it's in like.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
That's. Why didn't you go to the bathroom while we were in there? Are we gonna walk? I say we walk. Yeah, we need to walk off our Moe's. Okay, let's talk about life. How's everyone been? No.
I've been doing, I'm not doing well. I'm not either.
I'm so sorry.
I'm doing great.
I mean,
Best day ever.
But I'm great.
guys, this could be the end of the world. Like, Michael
Oh my
could come and
gosh.
take all of us away.
Jessica, don't say that.
Like, what are we doing on our last day?
So I just want to go get
We're going to the movies.
It's my birthday.
Hell no, I'm tired.
You don't want to eat a popsicle while you're watching a movie?
Says I'm tired.
Can we, oh my god, what if we actually did sneak popcorn in the movie? That'd be great.
I just
Um,
Yeah,
this
this
is
is
gonna
gonna
be
be
like
like
the
the
worst
worst angle of ever.
I'm literally gonna pop a squat and piss myself.
Plop a plop.
Wait, guys, is my zipper undone? No, it's not.
We would be closing Tuesday, October 9th at 1:50 p.m.
Oh, it's not 150. After the first set of shows at 12:30. Dang it.
We
I'm-
literally could have done it if we came like 20 minutes ago.
Oh, I'm
I
screaming.
think I'm depressed.
Okay, next, let's go.
What are we gonna do now?
My.
This right here, this whole entire piece of paper literally makes me want to kill myself. Okay, let's go.
20 minutes late. Please let me. Look at that guy. He's literally laughing at us.
Please let us in. Please let us in.
Oh my god.
What time is it?
Okay, so it turns out we walked in and the guy did not want us to film in there, but out of all 5 of us, it took him to tell us that we were trying to enter the exit door, which was locked. And so, moral of the story is we're all stupid, and we got in and we saw the movie. So, yeah.
Right now, we're in the movie theater. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be really good. We're really excited. Jessica. Oh my gosh, you cannot see.
So we're in the movie theater. We made it, and they let us in. Thank God. We're about to watch this movie, so I will.
I could have got in for free, but
Okay. Well, anyways, I will talk to you guys when we're done. Bye.
my friend.
Oh, that's not even. There's water on the stove. Oh my God! Don't watch A Star Is Born.
No, please watch this. So good.
Olivia tried.
Okay, so here's
Which is never happened.
here's my movie. Here's my movie review.
Tears wouldn't come out of my eyes.
I would say, okay, wait, let me get a better angle. Jessica, make sure when you're editing this that you get the better angle when I do
Why don't you
this.
want to cry?
So, my movie review on A Star Is Born is that it's really good. I would say a solid 9 out of 10.
I would give it a 10 out of 10.
I mean, I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 because the ending got me messed up, okay? It just ended, and I'm not okay with that. I need some backstory. I was really happy in the beginning. They found love, great, and then all of a sudden he's on drugs and is drinking.
He was on drugs the whole time.
Well, I know, but like, I don't know.
It's just
But
a really good movie. Go watch it.
it's so good. You need to watch it. Yeah, I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. The ending makes me want to die, but that's okay. I was happy, then I was upset, and now I'm just sad. That's the only thing that I can not say. How do you feel?
We sat there for like 3 minutes and cried.
No, what?
It's okay. It's not that big of a deal. It's not even that.
The camera! Wait, Jessica, that should be your intro into your videos. Roll the clips.
She said,
Roll the clips. Roll the clips.
are we in like the 12th century?
Caitlin, what do you give? What's your movie review?
It was really good. I don't know, probably like a 9.
Caitlin gave it a 9. Skylar, what did you give it second time going?
Man, 20 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of
Would
10.
recommend.
Olivia?
Not sponsored, but should be.
I think it was a 2.
What?
I said
What?
The whole time.
No, because they're getting emotional. When I get emotional,
I watched the whole movie twice.
I watched
so
it.
Basically, what she's trying to say is, I'm Skylar Sasson. I'm perfect at everything that I do, and I know everything, and blah, blah, blah.
I sat beside Jessica and we had a nice chat.
you said it, not me.
And then Jessica told me to stop
I mean, you basically
talking.
said it too.
But that's okay. Here are my M&Ms that I haven't finished eating because I'm sad.
I love that. You guys just assume I have shotgun. Living for it.
Wait, do that again, Skylar. Do that again. Sorry, what is that? Like my. Okay, Olivia, that's a little bit aggressive. It's open.
They just assumed I had shotgun.
Okay,
Nobody even like tried to.
let's do a little carpool karaoke, shall we?
Yeah, we shall.
Okay.
I'm on the deep end, watching that going. I'm lonely in the ground.
Turn it up. It's my song.
Everyone but Olivia is singing. And I go, yeah, Lady Gaga, the actor. And then she goes, in the All right, bye, Caitlin. Thanks so much for joining us.
Bye. Hey, if you ever need to evacuate, you know where I'll be.
Bye.
Okay, I'm actually gonna vomit.
Say last words for the vlog.
I don't know what to say.
Well, those are some good words.
Well, we're about to die because of this hurricane, so this might be the last time I see you guys.
So live life YOLO.
Well, it was fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. See you guys.
Okay, bye. Bye, Olivia. Bye. Bye, Olivia. Hey!
I just wanted to take another look at you.
She probably. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment whatever you want. I really don't care. Because actually comment what kind of videos you think I should do, because I don't know if I should just do vlogs or if I should do other ones too. What?
I think you should do a fall nighttime routine.
Okay, anyways, comment down below what you think I should do for videos. And yeah, because I always love there's always room
Have
for
you had a
improvement.
comment on one video yet?
Yeah, and it was a
Oh.
hate comment, and I loved it. So thank you so much. We're going strong. All right, so yeah, see you guys next time. I don't know when next time will be, but hopefully it'll be soon. And hopefully there is a next time, because Hurricane Michael's coming right at us.
Don't even joke. That's not funny. You know, yeah, should we? It should be.
Okay, bye.